What we do here is go back.
Alright, so I put a poll on Instagram for people to say if I want to start a YouTube channel, and based off the car, which is 2018 Mustang GT, and a lot of you guys said yes. I put a poll if you guys want to see an unboxing or an install. Most of them were an unboxing, of course. So we're going to go ahead with the unboxing, and then next you guys will see me do the install. So to begin with, we got a big box of Corsa Performance. I feel like it's the only way to go with the exhaust flies for the Mustangs or any other car. Once you open the box, you open it up, you got this black packaging foam, you know, you just throw that to the side, you know, eat it, and you get up to the mufflers, which aren't too bad, you know, the stainless steel with the 3 inches, everything's pretty nice. Open it up. This one does have the active valve system, which I'm not sure if you can see or not. I can't see it. Not bad, stainless steel option and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and dig through the box. So here's some of the mufflers that come with it. I'm not sure which one's which. We'll get more into that inside. But I had to go with the black tip option. I feel like that's the best way to go, especially on the black car. We got some more foam, more packing stuff. Got another one of the black tips. Should be 4 due to the quad tips. You got another muffler, which I'll take that out. Now here comes the fun part. Oh shit. Oh baby. I got the stainless steel X pipe with the Corsa embroidering on the clamps. And I got the rest of the black tips. So when I said I couldn't see the valves, I guess they're in here. So you should be able to see the valves open and close. Not sure, so that'll be try to fun to hook up, untake the parts. And you got the dampers, which go into the X pipe, I believe, right up there. And you got more clamps and everything else. So see how everything works out. Not bad.